We'll see if I can get 5 miles to retrieve this stick. I haven't been able to been working with her in a while. Where I've been working. You ready? Watch it. Watch it. Go get it. Bring it back. How we doing, guys, in YouTube land? Do you all know what this is? It is made by Woodruff and Edwards Company from Elgin, Illinois. And this is what it looks like. And it is a coffee mill. See? Coffee mill. Elgin National. And they've got it blocked off here where people can't stick nothing in there. And then you would turn it like this and it would grind your coffee up. It would come out down there in that hole down there. Put your bag here. Coffee would fill up. Pretty neat. Y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you tickle that little bell for future videos. Y'all have a blessed day. Now. Got a roadblock here.
Yeah, I already came through.
You're good, man. Be careful.
What you need to say?
License, if you got it.
Mm-hmm.
Just need to take a peek, man.
Huh?
He said he needs to take a peek.
Oh,
Hang on just a second.
I thought he needed me to do something.
No.
Be careful. Have a good night, buddy.
You
I thought he
too.
said need my feet. That's where they are.
All right, guys. We got a roadblock here set up at the jail. Y'all be safe.